So we are here, turning around. Why is I here sticking up? So we are here hosting a vision board workshop for our team. I'm gonna turn it around here. Look how fun this is. We got all this food. It's almost gone. And all these poster boards, magazines. So, hey Jenny, we miss you. So we decided to throw our team a vision board workshop on us and supply everything and host it for them. And we set our intentions and got clarity around our goals and did some exercises. And then once we got clear on what we wanted to create and our why and our intentions, then we making vision boards. And here's mine. So I've been walking.
Wow, your visions are really profound.
I know, my visions are really big. Well, and I've been walking around helping everyone, but I've got some stuff in here in my house, so it's funny though. Look, I got some pink sparkles. I'm gonna go home and finish all that, but. Hey guys! How's it going? So, do you guys have a vision board? Anyone on here? They are so powerful. They work so well. I was sharing with everybody that I have so many stories on how I put stuff on my vision board, and basically you're taking your goals, you're writing them down, and we did a cool exercise because a lot of people think that having a vision board, it's all about getting, having, but it's really about who you're becoming. So who you need to be, to receive what you're asking for, like who you need to become. And so we did an exercise that really got some clarity around that. And then it's not about getting, it's about who do you want to be, what do you really want to do, and then what do you want to have, and who do you need to become to have that lifestyle, right? Get in that mindset. So anyways, miss some of you guys. I see some of my team on here. We miss you. We hope to do one of those. Do one of these once a year. It was super fun. This room has been awesome. The food has been amazing. We've had some wine and fun, and we're turning our dreams and our goals into a reality. And I can't wait to see what everybody's going to manifest because of this. So. Hey Victoria, hey Tracy, Jenny, hey Kara. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. We've got to clean up now. We're about done, so bye. Oh, you want to come on? Say hi. Hey, she look beautiful. She's like, wait. She's like, what are you doing?
I gotta fluff my hair.
I gotta fluff my hair. Alright, bye guys.